All right, back we go. It is 3:35, February 11th. In the market we go. Looking at some more stocks. Let's start with SNGX. 28 million float, 52 million market cap. To present at 2021 Bio CEO Investor Digital Conference. Latest news there. Late stage biopharma company develops commercializing products that treat rare diseases in the United States. And, let's take a look at the chart here. 2020, this had the big run up from 1 all the way to 350. Look at it run here. Big run. Came all the way back. A lot of them do 150. Bounced again, chopped for months, got to 275. Down again, another run to 275. So you see a pattern here. Basically just 275, a little bit over it. And then this 125 line is support. Now this had the big gap down. Look at this gap. And then 125 this bounced up. 175 came back to 150. Then up we go today. Big, long today. It's still going. Filling the gap here. As far as this is going, 275 is, the honey. The bees are going to the honey. So there's no reason why we can't test that again. Look at the volume coming in here. You have a gap here, nothing really up here except back here, 225. So, when you have a gap like this and you have a strong movement up, there's no reason why you can't try to test that. So I like the movement here. This does come back. Look for maybe 175-ish around there, pull back. This thing's still running right now. So SNGX looking strong. EVFM, 79 million float, 291 million market cap. Biopharma develops, commercializes various products to address unmet needs, women's sexual and reproductive health. So we talked about this one too. This gap down, moved to 350, found two support. See this bottom, double bottom. Then we took off 225, 250, 275. Then it came racing back here on these candles. Look at that, but it held. And then it started to bounce up again. Then you had to pull back right at this 350 line, the bottom of the gap. Look at right here. Put in that wick and boom, bounce right off. Now, this could come back, all the way even to 275. Doesn't mean the move's over on this. So, it's a strong day today. Let me look at the 5 minute. Yeah, it's big, strong move. Pull back, still holding out long. So, if you fill the gap here, that'll be put maybe like 475 plus. Then you see you have a trend line all the way down. This could go to 5 plus from here. So the way this is going too, this is another one. Multiple bottoms here, going this way now, and the move's up, the momentum. You don't have a capitulation candle yet, so this is looking really strong. YJ. 28 million float, 665 million market cap. Operates e-commerce platform, Republic of China. So you can see the movement in this start at May. 18, this dropped all the way down to October, which is about 175. Then November, this thing bounced. Look at this bounce, 2 all the way to 6. And then you had a strong pullback to near 175 again. So bounced up to 250, came back to 225. Making the lows getting higher. And this is a good move today. You had, see the volume, not great volume, but pretty decent. Then this found this nice little dip, and then really took off to 440. So where did it touch here? See, it touched this line here, 425 line. That's where that big candle was. Now again, this one could come back. This could come back to 275 line maybe. See here, the low, higher, getting higher. And trying to draw a trend line here. I don't know how true that will be, but Now we got to get above this 375, and then possibly we can get into this like 5 range, this area in YJ. Another one, good movement. Look at the U shape here. Little comeback, but you can see the rounding motion. This is going up. So no news really recently in this. So we'll see on this. All right, so that's it on YJ. These three. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Quits, Mike Cayman Trades. And on YouTube, it is Mike Cayman Trades. Leave comments about any stocks like that I did, because any information is helpful. Anything related to the stock or news, that's always good for people to follow. I can't trade all these. These are just buy sell levels. Just giving information on these stocks, what to look for. Technically, where to buy, where to sell, possibly, and it's sort of like it's not like stock picks. I mean, you could call it that, but once you see a chart, you can point out exactly what it's going to do. Like, see when this came down here, you knew this was a wash down. Eventually, it'll bounce. Just pointing out things like technical analysis. It's like a skill, like any other skill in life. All right, so that's it. Peace.